Hi lovelies, it's Michelle here once again with another video. Today we're going to do a high puff with a little, spice. And before we begin, please make sure you subscribe and join the family. We're almost to 500 subscribers. Thank you all. And I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get along.
Moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so
We're going to begin on an old twist out, which doesn't even look like a twist out anymore. And I'm going to spritz my hair with water. So here's the water. Lord. So basically I'm just going to spray my hair with water just around the edges because that's where I'm going to apply the gel so that I can slick down my puff. So like I said, we're going to spice this puff up. So I'm going to do 2 twists here at the front and I'm just going to section my hair off. Not the cleanest part, but we're going to work with it. So after I'm done, I'm just going to section the rest of the hair away and I'm just going to put it away as I work on the front part. Look at how my hair is thick. So after I've sectioned the rest of the hair away, I'm going to spray this front part with some water and then I'm going to work it through so that I can moisturize it. And then I'm going to part the section into 2 so that I can make the 2 twists. So I'm going to use coconut oil to moisturize my hair. I'm going to work the coconut oil on my hair and I'm going to then divide before I apply the gel on each twist just to give it some bounce. As always, we're going to use the Eco-Styler gel. So I'm basically going to work the gel through each twist and then I'll begin to twist. If you don't know how to twist, I know there are many tutorials on YouTube explaining how to twist, but if you want me to show you, just comment down below and I'll do a video on how to twist your hair. I'm just adding some gel at the ends so that the ends can have some definition and some curls. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. I'm just going to twist it up. I'm sorry I was bending so much, my mirror was just below. So after I'm done with the twist, look at them looking so juicy. I'm going to work on the rest of my hair and I'm going to spray water around it just to moisturize it. You know, bring it back to life because it's basically dead. I'm just combing through just to make sure there are no knots and tangles before I can slick it down with some gel. So I'm going to apply some gel. I'm not using a lot, just enough to slick the hair down, Just make it clean and neat. This is the olive oil edge control. So the difference between an edge control and the gel is that the edge control makes your hair more sleek than the gel, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to apply it. Just a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot. So I'm just working that through my hair. And I'm using that rat tail comb to just slick everything down because I did not know where my brush was. So after you've slicked everything down, you're going to need a shoelace or a headband or a stocking. I use a shoelace. That's what works best for me. And I'm going to tie it at the back. I'm going to place it at the back and then tie it at the front. And then I'm going to be pulling at the back and pushing at the front. I really can't explain this well, but you can see I'm pushing at the back and then pushing at the front just to gather my hair up. I push, then I pull. Okay. So I like to take the hairs on my sides. I don't know why I like doing that, but I just like it. And then I'm going to spray with some water, and then I'm going to add some gel so that they can curl. I don't know, it just adds some nice look to the puff. So next we're going to do the edges, and I'm first going to spray my toothbrush with some water, and then I'm going to start taking down the hairs that I want to work on. And yo, my edges are leaving me. I don't know if you can see, but I basically have no hairline. I've not been taking care of my hairline because I do my edges every time. I'm going to find a regimen that is going to try and help my edges to come back. Yeah, but basically we're just going to add the gel, and then I'm going to lay my edges. I'm now going to tie my hair to slick everything up so that my hair can lay down. So this is how my hair looks like. I'm going to use a pick so that I can fluff out the puff to add more volume. To add these golden accessories, and I'm going to put them on my twists. Then carefully I'm going to remove my scarf, and voila, this is how we are looking. I'm just shaping my puff, and that is basically it, guys. I hope you liked this style. Comment down below for more styles that you want me to do or topics you want me to talk about. And yeah, I like this style. Bye guys, make sure you like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye.